copyright violations sent to Firestick users. I need to update you on this, guys. I don't want you all worrying. So, have any of you received a copyright violation to yourselves? Anybody? Anybody at all? We're going to get right into this. It's going to be really great. But before we do remember, guys, if you are new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button. We have been doing this for 4, maybe even 5 years now, keeping you up to date, keeping you safe on Firestick content, on streaming content, on news, on violations. So let's make sure we get right down to it and let's really find out what's going on. So what you may have seen is loads of videos popping up about copyright violations being sent to Firestick users. I've seen nothing of this, guys, okay? I've not received one. I'd love to know, you guys, give me a yes or a no in the comments. Have any of you received a copyright violation for using your Firestick? You know, it's tricky, guys. You know, news comes out all the time. But when news comes out, there's normally a backing to it. There's normally something behind it. So that's why I'm down to you guys as a Firestick user. There's YouTubers out there who are pushing these sort of videos with no real backup from what I've seen. Nothing behind it. No one telling you what's going on. No news article behind it. All these sort of things normally you would see from somewhere like maybe Torrent Freak, even Google. But no, we've got videos with copyright violations sent to Firestick users. This is from a person and people who will sell you a super box, a monster box, a fully loaded box, guys. We're going back 4 or 5 years now when we all told you, me, many other YouTubers, I'm going to get into them in a second, told you not to buy fully loaded devices, okay? Fully loaded devices went out of date, you know, 2018, 2017. Fully loaded Fire Sticks. You know, you don't buy fully loaded stuff. You're paying someone to do something for you, which is done for free, okay? Fully loaded super box. Fully loaded monster box. These people are selling boxes at £200 and you get unlimited services and they're old boxes, old rubbish, guys. We don't do that. We don't sell that rubbish here. On this channel you will get news. On this channel you will get the latest apps. On this channel you will get tech. But there's many channels out there who will bring you content now because they can't do what they used to do, and they're now going to scaremonger you into... I'm not going to get into it. I'm not going to get into too much what they do, but there's a scaremongering video out there. Copyright violations sent to Firestick users. I want to see at least one real account in the comments below who've got one. Just one real account and I'll be all over it. Beyond the streams, these guys, Rojas, Next Level Tech, done a very similar video. Firestick users copyright violations. Don't fall for it, guys, okay? It's important for us to tell you not to fall for it. There's YouTubers out there who are growing very, very fast. They have a big following because they delete all the negative comments. The people are saying it's a load of rubbish. There is no copyright violations going out to Firestick users, guys, okay? I googled it. Copyright violations sent to Firestick users. There's only one channel which comes up regarding these violations, okay? There's one in there telling you not to fall for it. The rest are all from one person, okay? You can see a few little things. There's a few websites scraping the content. That's it. The risk of streamings, we're talking 2017. You know, we're not going to get involved in those sort of ones. But if you look at the person who is sending all these fear-mongering messages out to you is one person. And I'm not here massively to hate on one person. But what I want to do is make sure my followers are aware not to worry, okay? Not to worry, guys, okay? Yes, should you use a VPN? Yes. And that's all he is trying to push you is onto a VPN, guys. Simple. He's pushing you onto a VPN. And he's grown very big because of the old content he used to push, which is brilliant. You know, more information out there is great for you guys who want to stream for free, but false information is not good. Should you use a VPN? Of course you should. We know this. We've known this for about 5-6 years. If you don't use a VPN, is it the end of the world? Are you going to get taken into court? Have you ever known anyone taken into court for using their Firestick? Of course you haven't. So you've got to be careful, guys, on what you're listening to. Make sure you're getting the good information. This subject was brought up across a lot of our guys. You know, I talk daily to Lee TV, Free Tech, Next Level Tech, Rojas, Stu, Whatbox TV, many guys. Upgrade Guide, Fire TV sticks, cord cutters, They're all in there, guys. All in there. All in there. I'm not saying they know I'm making this video. I'm not saying they condone of this video and have the same opinions of me. But we talk daily, and not one of them have told me about a Firestick user getting a letter. We went through a few years back of falling out with American YouTubers because they were sharing false information just to get you to buy a service, guys, or an internet service. And we will make sure we bring you the best content here. Simple. Really simple, guys. So what I want to make you clear of is I don't know of any copyright violations going out to Firestick users. Could a copyright violation go out to a user of a specific app? Yes. Could a copyright violation go out to a user of a streaming service? Of course it could. We know this. We know this. But is it a Firestick related? No. Is it because you're using your Firestick? No. Do you know how to get around it? Of course you do. Are they going to send it to you? I've never received a letter for using any form of service. Have you? Again, this is where you guys come into today. You could all comment below, yeah, oh, we've received a letter. We've received a letter. And that may make me do an apology video after this, maybe. Or a new video. But until then, I'm not having it. But before you leave, guys, I wanted to make you clear. You know the rules. If you want to stay safe online, use a VPN. $3.75 a month. IPVanish is one of our partners. Check it out directly underneath. It's unlimited devices. It's cheap as chips. Simple. But if you don't want to use it, don't. It's as simple as we use VPNs to geolocking, online safety. It's not about people. It is about people seeing what you're doing. It's about them using your data, guys, okay? Selling your data. Picking up your data and selling it to other people. That's the main worry we use with VPNs. Not about a violation letter, which is very unlikely to get sent to how many people use a Firestick? How many? One of the biggest tech devices for streaming sold online worldwide? Okay. Simple as that. We've also got Ivacy VPN, guys, if you're interested. All linked underneath. Really simple, really easy to use. Underneath as well, guys, before you leave, if you can, do drop me a comment on your thoughts on this. Do drop me a like if you can. Do drop me a share. A share really helps the channel. But until then, all my social medias are linked underneath. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.